Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math Smart by Prashant sir. So today in this video I come up with one more important sample question paper related to International Maths Olympiad examination. Now this time it is for only 10th class students. Now whoever is watching this video, please do watch this video from the beginning to ending. Then only you can able to understand complete information. Because in this 20-25 minutes of time or hardly 30 minutes of time, I am going to share you different tips and tricks related to examination. Usually in every competitive examination, like more specifically IMO examination, knowing the answer is not important. Understanding the concepts are only very important. How in the less span of time, usually you should get the answer for every question. We have only 1 hour time, you know already. In that less time, you should attempt how many questions? 50 questions. Time is only 1 hour, means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, you have to attempt 50 mathematical questions. You just imagine how it will be. So without knowing the concept, without having a proper guidance, you cannot achieve this. That is the reason. If you watch this video completely, you will get the information related to the different tips and tricks regarding this examination. And moreover, please do like this video so that I'll get some kind of interest. I can able to make some more videos, and subscribe my channel also. Now without wasting time, we are going to start this session. So you know already, out of these 10 different questions, total we are having 4 different sections. One is logical reasoning section, next one is a mathematical reasoning section, third one is everyday mathematics, and fourth one is achiever section. So from these 4 sections, before going to start this video, what you should know is you must know at least some basic information. If you have a basic information, then only you can able to understand this. Okay, now without wasting time, we are going to answer this question. Okay, question number 1. Once observe here, plus means divided by means minus means into means plus. Then he asked to find out value of this. He asked to find out the value of this. Okay, now this question is example for simply what we can say mathematical reasoning. If you have a little bit idea about mathematical reasoning, mathematical reasoning means this one logical. Among the logical reasoning, you should know Bodmer's rule concept. Okay, if you know Bodmer's rule concept, you can able to answer this question very easily. Question number 1. So just observe here 12. First you change the original symbols. So plus means according to given question divided by, and afterwards divided by means minus 3, and minus means simply what we have into. Minus means we have into, and then after we have into symbol. Into means you know already plus what we can take 8. Now for this we are going to apply what rule? Bodmer's rule. If you apply Bodmer's rule for this 12 divided by 6 means what we have? 2 minus, acha, I forgot one number here. What is that number? 3 after 2 is there, no, sorry, 3 2s are 6. Next what we have? 8. 8 plus 2 means 10. 10 minus 6 means what you are getting? 4 is the answer for this question. Therefore, first question answer is what you are getting? C. 4 is the answer for this question. Now we are going to focus on second question. Okay, now we are going to focus on which question? Second question. Just listen. What is second question? How many such pairs of letters are there in the given word, each of which has as many letters between them as an English alphabet? Very good question. Something different question. Now the given word is what? Advertisement. Something different question. So in order to answer this question, first of all you should know alphabetical numbering. What is mean by alphabetical numbering? A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, and so on. Z means what we can take? 26. Like that you should know first what we can say, this basic alphabetical numbering. If you know this alphabetical numbering, then we can able to answer this question very easily. Okay, yeah, now just listen here. According to alphabetical numbering, first what we can write here? Just listen. First we can write A. A means how much? 1 we can take. Then D means 4 we can take. Then V means 22 we can take. Afterwards E means 5 we can take. Then R, no. Afterwards R means 18 R means 17 we can take. R means only 17. Then we can take Q means 17. No, very sorry. R means you can take simply 18. Afterwards T means 20. Then after I means 9. S means 19. E means 5. M means 13. And here 5. Finally N means 14 and T means 20. Now the meaning of this question is, how many such pairs? We have to identify the pairs which are there in alphabetical order. Means what does it mean? For example, I am taking, for the sake of understanding, I am taking like this. 13 we have, 9 we have, 8 we have, then we have 14 here. If the numbers are like this, if the numbers are like this, for example, we have 16. If the numbers are like this, you should take this pair. Which pair you should take? 13 and 16 pair you should take. 13 and 16 pair we should take. What does it mean? 13 after 14, 14 after 15, 15 after 16. Here 16 only there, no? Means in between 13 and 16, how many numbers must be there? In between, usually in between 13 and 16, how many numbers must be there? Two numbers must be there. Are we getting two numbers in between these two? Yes, we are getting. That is the reason you should take that particular pair. Like that, how many different pairs are there? You have to identify. I hope you understood the meaning of the given question. And when you are answering this question, you should start answering from left to right and right to left also. You must check both ways, not only one way. And now start checking from 1 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fails. Take from 4 onwards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is there, no? Once observe here, 4. Once you check this particular green color number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, means 4 and 9 is one pair. Like that, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, you can check this also. You can check this blue color line also from 4 to up to 14. From 4 to up to 14. I hope you understood. Okay, now then after, now we are going to focus on 22. 22, you need not to check. It's all about your presence of mind. Initially, it will take some time, but if you practice very good number of questions, you'll become master in this case. 22 is the big number, need not to check with the 22 because no other number is there. Then 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 fails. Then 18, 19, 18, 19, no, it fails. Then after 20, 20 means no other numbers fails. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, now you can start taking from this. You focus on this yellow color line. I hope you can able to see this yellow color line. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, it is possible. So far we are getting three numbers. So far we are getting how many numbers? 3 numbers here. I hope you understood. Now next observe here. You can start referring from right to left also. 20 is the somewhat big number, not big number. 20, 22. In between 20 and 22, only one number must be there, but so many numbers are there. Don't take that. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, now you can take from 14 to 20. You just check this 14 to 20. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23. Okay, now I hope you understand. Till now we are getting 4 pairs. 4 pairs means 3, 4. Both options are fail. Now after 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, you can start referring from this also. From 5 to 9, you just check from 5 to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, this also okay. From 13 onwards, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, even you just focus on this particular number also. You just focus on this particular number also. Which number you are? From 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, from 18 to 13. From 18 to 13. So far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need not check remaining all. Option is what we can say more than 5. Simply you can take more than 5 is the answer for this question. Okay, now more than 5 is the answer for this particular question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. You need not check. Acha, 6 okay na? 6 is the answer for this question. Okay, no issue. Like that, if you have little bit practice, no, of course these type of questions will take usually some time. It will take some extra time. You should spend some extra time you should invest some extra time for these type of questions. Now focus on this third question. What is third question? Select the Venn diagram from each option which best illustrate the relationship amongst teacher male player. Teacher male player means this is false. This is false. Why? According to this, one must be completely part of other. According to this first diagram, one must be completely part of other. No such things. Here one under that one, 2 different categories must be there. For example, you take a teacher male and player. For example, you take this is teacher, this is male and player. No, it's false. No, why it is false here? Why? Because teacher means every teacher need not be male. No, for example, teacher and here male and player. Here you can take a player. According to this statement, what does it mean? Every male is a teacher. Is it true? No, need not be. No, every male need not be teacher. That is the reason second condition fails. And you focus on this one. If you focus on this one, male player teacher, see there is a relation between teacher male player also. That is, a teacher can be male and a player. A teacher can be male and player. That is the reason relation must be there for the given 3. Relation must be there for the given 3. Hence what we can take? C is the answer for this question. For example, you take the conditions. Once observe here, you take this is, for example, you focus on first circle. First circle is a teacher. Then you focus on second circle is a male. Then you focus on third one. Third circle is simply you can take what we can say player. Third one is simply you can take player. See, some teachers are male, yes, true. Some male are players, yes. Some players are teachers, yes. Some players are male. So what this indicates? A person, a male person, a teacher can be a male and player. I hope you understood. That is the reason you can opt this question. Initially you may not, my dear 10th class aspirants, initially you may not be comfortable, but if you have a little bit idea, you can able to answer this question. I said no in the beginning of this video. You must have a proper guidance. If you have a proper guidance, you can able to answer this question very clearly. Now with this, our first section, logical reasoning section is finished. Now we are going to focus on second section, that is a mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning. We are going to focus on mathematical reasoning. Fourth question. We are discussing question number 4. Okay. The sums of two n terms of two arithmetic series. Wow, question is based on progressions. The sums of n terms of two arithmetic series are in the ratio of 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 27. Find the ratio of the 11th terms. We asked to find out the ratio of what we can say 11th terms. See, remember my dear children, unfortunately some questions will take usually lengthy time. Some questions we can answer in less span of time. Okay, it's all about your presence of mind. So now I can say fourth question, it's all about your speedness. Fourth question, by seeing the observations or by seeing the options, we cannot answer this question. Blindly by seeing the options, we cannot answer. You must give the proper explanation for these type of questions. Now, if you try to understand the meaning of the given question, the sums of n terms of two arithmetic series. The sums of n terms of what we can say two arithmetic series are what we can say 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 27. Find the ratio of the 11th terms. He asked to find out the ratio of what we can say 11th terms. Yes. Now sum of n terms. There are two different APs are there. First AP and second AP. I'm writing like this for the sake of understanding. Here I'm writing AP and here I'm writing AP. Okay na? Then you know already sum of n terms formula. What is sum of n terms formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the first we have n terms only, in second also we have n terms only. That is the reason what we can take here n by 2 into 2a plus you can take n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of n terms in first case. Sum of n terms in first case. Now we are going to focus on this one. What is second one? Second one is n by 2 into you can take 2a plus n is common, no? Again don't take different one. N minus 1. N minus 1 into you can take capital D. That is equal to simply what you are getting 7n plus 7n plus 1 by you are getting simply how much here 4n plus 27. 7n plus 1 by what you are getting 4n plus 27. And now here simply, so here you can cut n by 2 and n by 2 you can cancel. Okay, from the numerator and denominator first you can take 2 common. From numerator and denominator taking 2 common and cancelling. Simply what you are getting a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d by you are getting a plus n minus 1 into a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to what you are getting 7n plus 1 by you are getting 4n plus how much 27. 7n plus 1 by you are getting 4n plus how much here 27. I hope you understood. Now this step keep aside. Focus on this one. What he asked to find? He asked to find out find the ratio of the 11th terms. He asked to find out the ratio of 11th terms. Ratio of 11th term means simply what we can take actually a plus 11d we can take, and here by capital A plus again 11d we can take. A plus 11d we can take. You focus on this one. You just to focus on this LHS with this one. If you focus on this LHS with x1, shall I say our n minus 1 by 2 value equal to 11? Yes. If n minus 1 by 2 value is equal to 11, shall I say n value is equal to 23? Yes. Blindly n value is equal to what you are getting? N value is equal to 23 you are getting. N value equal to how much here? 23. Means what I wanted to say is in order to get very small correction here. One small correction, because you asked to find out ratio of 11 terms, no? For 11th term, nth term formula is what? Nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. That is the reason you can take a plus 11 minus 1 means what you are getting simply 10d. Okay, na? Here also simply what you are getting a plus 10d. A plus 10d and a plus 10d. Now if you compare this simply what you are getting, my dear children, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 you are getting. Therefore n is equal to 21 you are getting. N is equal to how much here? 21. Means in order to get the ratio of the 11th terms, n value must be how much here? 21. If you put n is equal to 21 here, 7 into 21 plus 1 by what you are getting here? 4 into 21 plus 27. So 21 into 7 means 147, 148. And this what you are getting? Here already 21 7 times. 21 4 times, no? 84. 84 means you are getting 91. 91 means you are getting 101. I repeat this question once again. This simplification. We are going to focus on the simplification once again. 21 7 times 147 plus what? 148. Okay. 21 4 times 84. 84 91. 91 plus 20. 91 plus 91 on no. Prashant cool. 84. 84 plus 27. Prashant cool. 111. What you are getting? 111 you are getting. 111 you are getting. Okay, now 5. 5 13. 13 here 3. No, that is a means what we can say. None of this is the answer for this question. None of this is the answer for this question. I hope you understood, my dear children. Okay, now in order to get the ratio of the 11th terms, you should put n value must be how much? 21. Very good question. Very good question. Okay. Now we are going to focus on question number 5. Fifth question. What is fifth question? Which of the following is true? He asked to find out which of the following is what we can say true. Which of the following is true? So 3 points. For example, first point, second point, third point form a straight line. See, there are 3 points. First point, second point, third points. 3 points form a straight line means, shall I say both 3 points must be collinear points? Yes. 3 points must be what we can say collinear. So if they are collinear, area of triangle must be how much here? Area of triangle must be is equal to 0. Yes or no? If area of triangle is 0, then only we can able to form a what we can say straight line. Now I'll do one thing. I can use this space because I have less space now. I'm going to use this particular space. Question number 5 I'm solving here. Question number 5 solving here. See, we can able to find out area of triangle by using this formula. So x1, x2, x3 and again 1 we can take. Here you can take y1, y2 and y3 again y1. So this method is called actually cross multiplication method. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 times of x1, x2, x3 again x1, y1, y2, y3 again y1. You know already this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. I hope you understood. Now while you are multiplying towards downside, same symbol you should take. But while multiplying upside, towards upside, opposite symbol you should take. Downside means same symbol. Upside means you are going to get an opposite symbol. Observe here 1 by 2 into what you are getting? 4 plus 6. You are getting plus 21 minus 16 minus 8 minus 7. So here this is 10, 31 minus 31. Simply what you are getting? 0. 0 means simply what we can say? Yes, with the given 3 points we can form a collinear points. First one is true. Then any line parallel to x-axis. Any line parallel to the line which is parallel to x-axis will be in the form of some y is equal to k. You know already the line which is parallel to x-axis will be in the form of y is equal to k or y is equal to b, whatever. See, you need not refer. You need not to refer all these, my dear children. Just try to understand this one. Just try to understand this one. Okay. So here what you observed here, just a second please. So here first option is true. First option is true and second option also true. That is the reason all of this. You need not to check third condition. You need not to check third condition. Since 1 and 2 are satisfied, obviously condition must be what we can say. All of this is the answer for this question. All of this is the answer for this particular question. Okay, very good question. Now we are going to focus on question number 6. Once observe question number 6. A number is chosen at random. Okay, no problem. A number is chosen at random from 1 to 120. The probability of the number chosen being a multiple of 3 and 15. See, it's not 3 or 15. Remember, whenever you are solving the questions of this probability, you should focus on or condition and you should focus on and condition. If it is or plus you should take. If it is and into you should take. Okay, now if it is or what we can take plus. If it is and what we can take? Multiplication we can take. Multiplication we can take. Okay, now multiplication we can take. Now just observe here. We are going total how many numbers are there? 1 to 120. 1 to 120 means total how many numbers we have? 120 numbers we have. the probability that a number chosen being a multiple of 3 and 15. See, it must be multiple of 3 and 15 means it must be multiple of only 15. Okay, now you can take 15, 30, then you can take 45, 60, 75, 90, 105 and 120. Therefore, how many are favorable? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are favorable. 8 are favorable out of how many? 120. Probability formula is what? Favorable number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. 8 by 120 means you are getting 2. If you cancel with the 8th table itself, 8 ones are 8 means 1 by 15. 1 by 15 means yes. 1 by 15 means first option is the answer for this question. I hope you understood. First option is the answer for this particular question. I hope you understood. Now that is your 3 questions. That is your 3 questions are related to mathematical reasoning. Now we are going to focus on everyday mathematics. Everyday mathematics we are discussing. Okay, question number 7. What is everyday mathematics? My dear children, I don't know whether you are getting or not. The intention of this video is at least you should understand how the paper will be. Okay, then after in the coming days from our channel, I am going to provide you logical reasoning problems. Every problem I am going to give you, need not to worry about IMO examinations. The only thing you should do is you have to follow Math Smart by Prashant Sir YouTube channel, and if possible, like and comment so that I'll get some kind of boost. Right, now question number 7. The average. Whenever you see the word average in the given question, directly what should come into your mind? Average equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. Average equal to sum of the observations by, you can take a number of observations. The average score of a player, the average score of a player in 10 innings was 77 runs. 10 innings, runs are how many? 77 runs. Average runs, not total runs. The average runs in 10 innings are how many? 77. In the 11th inning, had he scored 0 runs. 11th inning, he had scored 0 runs. Okay, no problem. The overall average score at 11 innings was simple. First, we'll try to find out sum of all innings up to 10. Sum is equal to what we can take? Number of innings into average. Number of innings into average. Total what you are getting? 770 we are getting. What is 770? Therefore, that particular batsman, he made a total how many runs? He made 770 runs till 10 innings. And 11th innings score is anyhow 0 only. And total number of innings are how many? 11. That is the reason 770 by 11 means you are getting 70. Therefore, what is the average? What is the average? Average equal to 70 we can take. Okay, na? I hope you understood. Now we are going to focus on this question, 8th question. We are going to focus on question number 8. Question number 8 is based on one of the applications of trigonometry, which is what we can say based on heights and distances. This question is based on heights and distances. Now let's see. A kite is flown with a thread of 250 meters long. For example, somewhere kite is there. One person is flying the kite from here. For example, this length given, this complete length given from this thread length given. Thread length is equal to how much we can take? 250 meters. Okay, no issue. And if the thread is assumed to be stretched and make an angle of 60 degrees. How he stretched? This particular thread is making an angle of 60 degrees with a horizontal line. Okay, now. Okay. 60 degrees is what we can say horizontal line. Then the height of the kite above the ground is. Height of the kite above the ground means this particular height he asked to find. Height of the kite above the ground. Height of the kite above the ground he asked to find. And root 3 value given 1.73. We should also take root 3 value 1.73. See, there is a relation between what we can say angles and sides. For example, here 60, here 90 means this must be what we can take 30 degrees we can take. Therefore, 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees are the angles in this triangle. If angles are in the ratio of 30, 60, 90, then corresponding sides are in the ratio of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Regarding this, you will come to know in the coming days. As of now, remember, if the angle between the given right angle triangles are 30, 60, 90, corresponding sides must be in the ratio of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. What we can take simply 1 is to root 3 is to 2 we can take. Now 60 opposite how many parts? Root 3 parts. 60 opposite we can take root 3 parts. 30 opposite we can take 1 part. 90 opposite we can take 2 parts. According to this given question, 2 parts value is equal to 250. Then he asked to find out height from the what we can say, height from the ground, means this particular AB height. For example, you consider AB height you should find. Means root 3 parts equal to how much? If 2 parts equal to 250, root 3 parts equal to how much? You can take 125 root 3. Therefore, 125 root 3 is the answer for this question. 125 root 3 is the answer for this question. Unfortunately, that is not there. But what we should do? We should multiply 125 with a 1.73. With a 1.73, you will get the answer. I hope you know multiplication. Multiplication. Actually, we can answer these type of questions by using Vedic mathematics also. We are going to focus on what we can say, Vedic mathematics, with the help. Sorry. With the help of the Vedic mathematics. With the help of the Vedic mathematics, we can able to answer these type of questions very easily. As of now, just remember. So 3 5s are 15 times here. Here 6 times and 3 times. Here 7 5s are 35. 14 means you are going to get 7, and 14 means what you are getting? 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7 means 8 you are getting. Then after here 5 you are going to get, 2 you are going to get, 1 you are going to get. 5, 11. Okay, then you are getting 10, 16, 11. See, 615. Whenever you have option like 615, you can take. Once observe here where you can see 615 from the last digits. 615, 615 or 615 or what? Just to multiply this, you will come to know. If you multiply this, you will come to know. This is what a 216, and you should keep the decimal point after 2 digits. 216.15 like that. 216.15 like that. Just observe here. 216.15 means only one option satisfies. 216. That's all. 216 approximate value. Approximate value we are taking simply because root 3 value 1.73 we are taking. So therefore, 8th question answer is what we can take. A is the answer for this question. So with that, that everyday mathematics also finished. Now we are going to focus on what we can say, achievers section. Achiever section we will discuss. There are total 2 different questions under this achievers section. Now let's see regarding this achiever section. What is this achiever section? Once observe which of the following is incorrect. Remember, not correct. Okay, don't confuse. Which of the following are incorrect? We should identify the incorrect one. K is equal to 9 by 8. The equation will have real and equal roots. When you have real and equal roots, for example, b square minus 4ac, discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means the equation should have equal roots. We'll try to find out b square minus 4ac, verifying a statement. According to that first question, b square minus 4ac means 3 square minus 4 into 2 into c means k. B square minus 4ac must be is equal to 0. That is, you can take 8k is equal to 9 means k is equal to 9 by 8. Yes, if k is equal to 9 by 8, roots are real and equal. That is the reason first option is correct only. But you have to identify wrong option. Now focus on B statement. For k is equal to minus 1 equal as what we can say, for k is equal to minus 1, equation will have again equal roots. Same b square minus 4ac for k is equal to minus 1. First we will try to put k is equal to minus 1. If you put k is equal to minus 1, simply what you are getting? Minus 4x minus 1 means minus 2 you are getting. Minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 cancel. See, minus 2 plus 2 cancel. No constant here. No constant means simply what we can take? No constant means are we getting roots are equal? No. Therefore, for which equation that is false? For k is equal to minus 1, the roots are not equal. For k is equal to minus 1, the roots are not equal. That is the reason B is the answer for this question. Statement B is the answer for this question. Now we are going to focus on last question in this sample paper. Question number 10. There are 3 points. ABC points are given as shown in the given figure. Okay, no issue. The coordinates of the midpoint of AC. He asked to find out the midpoint of AC. He asked to find out what we can say the midpoint of AC. And okay, midpoint of AC we'll try to find. AC midpoint formula you know already, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 y1 x2 y2. Then simply what we can take, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma x1 plus x2 by 2 comma you can take y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 means minus 2. Here 2 by 2 means you are getting 1. Minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1 is the no midpoint, no. According to this question, he asked to find out the midpoint of what? The coordinates of midpoint of AC. Of course, A minus 5 comma 5. Then 1 comma minus 3. X1 plus X2 by 2 comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. This is 4 by 2. Okay, minus 2 only. Minus 4 by 2 means minus 2. I don't know why you're getting this. Length of AB. Focus on this length of AB. Sorry. Length of AB. So length, distance formula is there now. So you can take x2 minus x1 whole square plus, yes or no? Oh, Prashant, cool. I'm very sorry. I have taken AB no here. That is the reason we are getting wrong answer. I'm very sorry. Here he asked to find out the midpoint of AC. I have taken A and B. I considered A and B points. Okay, na? AC points. Okay. Now x1 plus x2 by 2 comma, you can take y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here you can take minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 means therefore the answers are what we can take. Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 means only either A or B. Now distance also we should find. Distance formula. What distance now? AB distance now. So AB distance means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 36 you are getting and 64 you are getting. 100. 100 means 10. That's all. Therefore, option B is the answer for this question. Okay, na? Children, I hope you understood. I hope you understood what we are trying to discuss, what I am trying to convey. Okay, so this is the your 10th class sample question paper. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this sample question paper or any other questions related to your international maths Olympiad examination, whether you are not only 10th standard, whether you are any grade child, you please WhatsApp your question to this number 9866236327. I'm here to help you out. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.